Hi, I'm Monica and I'm doing a PhD in psychology at University of Luxembourg. Our research is about cultural intelligence in the workplace. Cultural intelligence tries to answer to the question why there are some people more at ease and more effective in cultural diverse settings than others. Let's think of some managers who are very successful in their own country, but who unfortunately fail when they are on missions abroad. We analyze cultural intelligence by focusing on how people check the information, plan ahead, and are aware while interacting with another culture. How people acquire reliable knowledge about the other culture. How people behave in order to avoid cultural misunderstandings, or if they enjoy meeting another culture. We chose Luxembourg for our research because of its very multicultural workplace. Because our goal is to build a recruitment tool as well as to design a training program with the aim of enhancing cultural intelligence among employees. The good news is that cultural intelligence is a learnable skill. That means it's getting better over time through experience or formal training.